Islam, the only source of peace, prosperity, success and security for every citizen of this world. Alhamdulillah.
Reaching
Dawah of Islam to 1 billion plus people
in 50 languages.
through TV channels, social networking sites, print media, etc. Now planning to reach, inshallah, 5 billion plus people in 200 plus nations in 75 languages. Ilyas Sharafuddin and sons, slaves of Allah, son and grandsons of Indian Army Naik, with a vision, mission, execution for the betterment of whole humanity as per the command of only God Allah and final messenger Muhammad peace be upon him, mentioning Quran and authentic hadith.